Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off Turbo Boost and get better performance in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for Control Space Panel. The moment you have typed it, go with the best matched and click on Open to continue. Wait until a new window would appear, which is your control panel items. Okay, so if your view or window doesn't look like this, simply proceed at the upper right side of the screen. You can see there an option called View By. Change that into large icons, and once done, look for Power Options. Okay, so look for it. In my case, it is next to keyboard, placed at the fifth row in my window. Click on it and with that you would be able to see this. Okay, so here you need to select on change plan settings, and here you need to go with the upper center of the screen or at the center of the screen called change advanced power settings. Click on it, and the moment you have the click on it, you'd be able to open this power options window, where here you need to scroll down and look for processor power management. Again, look for processor power management and click this add icon beside that, and there you'd be able to see an option called this processor performance boost mode. In my case, I don't have such, but in your case, you have that. Again, look for an option called processor power performance boost mode and change the on battery into disabled and change the plugged in into disabled. So let's say for example, this is the performance boost mode. Click this add icon, and there you would be able to see on battery. Just change the on battery into disabled and as well as the plugged in into disabled also. Once you're done, close all of this and close this window as well. Okay. And as well as this edit plan settings and restart your computer. Now, there is a need to restart your computer in order to apply on the actions that we have just performed earlier in this video. Okay, once you have restarted and relaunch your Windows again, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.